What's up, everybody? This is Mark with Make It Manifest. I just want to welcome you guys all back here to week number 2 recap in our third episode here. Let's get into it. So as you guys can see here, we started off the week pretty good. We're up around $19,000 from last week. We ended at $58,000. And currently, my major stock holdings that I have, the only important one, as you can see here, is LKCO. So this one I have around 31,000 shares of it. And I expect it to go much higher than its current valuation, which it's sitting at, I'd say 229. So going back, you can see here that I started off the morning great, went up to 77,000, and it just kept rising from there, 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 right? So I was up 8%, 11%, 12%. This is the point where it started to go up, up, and up. So we had a really, really good day at this point. We went up all the way to 115. Actually went up all the way up to 124,000.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. We have liftoff.
And I was screaming. I was really happy at this point. And I should have taken some profits, but I think I'm a strong believer in the stock, and I think it's gonna go much higher than what it's currently at right here at this point. I believe it was I think on the Robinhood app it shows 357, but in actuality it went up to $3.58, and I just dipped down after that. Should have taken some profits, but I didn't, just because, like I mentioned, my beliefs in this stock. So Tuesday came around at this point, and that's when everything went down. For across the board, all the stocks just were pretty much extremely bearish, and everything took a dip. And I here at this point don't remember exactly where, but it wasn't on this day, Tuesday, but it was around, I believe, Wednesday, where I went ahead and averaged up and bought 1,000 more shares. It was at this point where I actually bought 1,000 more shares of LKCO, just to add a little bit more to the portfolio. It dipped down to 190, a little bit under that. I believe it was like 185, but I added in at 190, just because I'm such a strong believer of the stock, and I think that it's gonna go up, like I keep mentioning. And we ended up going and going, trading sideways pretty much for the rest of the week, and we ended up at $70,908, which is still great. So currently we're roughly about 27% above our weekly price target of $59,158, which is really good. We're actually even above our 5% price target of $60,637, so I'm extremely happy about that. Overall, I think that we're doing really good in our portfolio here. We're currently at 24.58% of our target, and it's only been 3 weeks so far, or 2 weeks so far. So I feel that we can definitely hit it by the end of the year, $250,000 worth of profit. And I'm excited to see what the rest of the weeks have in store for us. I want to thank you guys for watching the video. I want to remind you guys that I am not a financial advisor. I only do this for entertainment purposes only. Go ahead and leave a like. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. Let's go ahead and make this channel really big, so one day I can actually share my knowledge with others. I appreciate it very much. Thank you for being here with me. Appreciate it.